Real quick, if you're here to see how to install a roll-up door, you're in the right place. I've got clear step-by-step footage coming up that shows the whole process from start to finish. But before we get to that, I want to show you how the first door I installed went. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't do the best job explaining things on this one. The footage isn't perfect and the install gave me some trouble, but instead of tossing it, I figured it was worth watching. You guys can see what went wrong, what I learned, and I'll walk you through the process of how I got it right the second time. So hang in there or skip ahead if you want to, but that solid, clean install is in this video, so let's get into it. So you're probably wondering, did we ever get that door installed correctly? The answer is yes. And now we've got a second one to do, and this time I think we know what we're doing. So that's it, guys. In a nutshell, I'd say that these things aren't too difficult to install. Yeah, we had a few issues on the first one, but we were able to overcome those quickly. And I'd say in reality, it probably takes maybe an hour to install one of these roll-up doors. These are from rollupdoorsdirect.com. They're not a sponsor or anything like that. Check them out if you want. If you got another source, try those too. But overall, I think we're satisfied with how these install. And I'd say for the most part, they look great. So thanks for watching Dale Does It All. See you guys on the next one. If you like this type of content, like, subscribe. See you next time. So you're probably wondering, do we ever get that door fixed correctly? Do it one more time, let's do it fast. Do it fast, I want it to show. Right. So you're probably wondering, do we ever get that door fixed correctly? So you're probably wondering, did we ever get that door fixed correctly? I think so. Now that we know what we're doing, let's start on.
I was just talking! Oh my god!